Hey guys, I'm Sarthak from FTC Team 9794 Wizards.exe, and in this video I'm going to quickly walk through the steps to install the newest release of the Doge CV Vision library. And this way we can help you guys get prepared for the kickoff, which is just 1 week away, so you can get up and running on all your software and Vision tasks. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've opened up my Skystone SDK, a fresh version of it in Android Studio. You guys, if you don't have one, the newest SDK, you should go ahead and download it off the FTC SDK repository on GitHub. But I'm going to start assuming that you guys have it already. So what I'm going to do is we have to download the Doge CV library. So what I'm going to do is in my web browser, I'm just going to Google Doge CV, and the first link that comes up should be the correct GitHub repository. And over here, you'll see this is where all the code is stored, some examples, and also the installation instructions are located if you scroll down just a bit over here. And so we're actually going to get started on installing this. So the first thing we're going to have to do is either clone or download the GitHub repository. So if you use Git, the link over here to clone is right over here. If you don't, you can just go ahead and press download zip. As you can already see, I've already done that. So I'm going to go ahead into my file explorer. Whoops, let me just click download zip. And I'm going to go into my file explorer, refresh if it's in my downloads. So what you can do is you can extract all the files and you just choose whatever folder you want them to go to. I've already completed this step, so I'm just going to go ahead and press cancel. But you'll want to do that, and it should only take a couple seconds. So once that's extraction is completed, you'll want to go back into Android Studio. And the first step we're going to do is go to File, New, and you want to press Import Module. So you want to click the little folder over here, and you want to navigate to where you extract those files to. So the first module we're going to add is the OpenCV Library 3, which is what we need to run the Doge CV library. So I'm just going to go ahead and press that, and then press Finish. And then you'll see that quick Gradle sync will start. And once it'll index all the project files, and then it'll give you a message, hopefully saying sync successfully. And we're going to repeat this step for the Doge CV library. So you're going to want to go File again, New, and Import Module. Just click the folder again. It should be in the exact same place as before, and you'll want to press Doge CV. The file content should look like that. So you just want to press OK. And you'll see the name automatically populates, and you can ignore this warning for now since we already added the OpenCV library. So you can go ahead and press Finish. And just like before, you'll see that the project starts to sync again, and all the project files will be indexed. So you should see that the OpenCV Library 3 module and the Doge CV module have automatically been added to your Android view menu right over here. Now, if you don't see that or your sync failed, what we can do is you want to go to your settings.gradle file and make sure that these two modules have been added to this first line over here for the include, just to make sure it syncs and builds properly. So now the next step we're going to have to go through is rather simple. So I'm just going to switch my view to project over here. You'll want to go to the team code module, then open up the build.release.gradle file, and then we're going to have to type in two additional lines into here. So the first one is going to be implementation project, and then you're going to want to type in OpenCV Library 3. And then you're going to want to repeat that exact same thing, except you'll want it to be Doge CV. And then since you changed the Gradle files, you'll have to sync them up real quick. And that should only take a couple seconds, and it should... Yep, there we go. It doesn't look like there are any errors. Yep, sync successfully. So now the last step to check that you've installed everything properly is just to run it, run the code onto your Android phone, just to double check to make sure that everything's going okay. But that's the end of the installation. It's rather simple. Within the next few weeks or so, once the game is released, we're going to start putting out some new videos, just walking through how to create some new vision detectors for the new game and to complete all the different vision tasks. So stay on the lookout for those. If you have any questions or if you had any errors with the new installation process for the Doge CV library, please shoot us an email or just let us know in the comments and we'll get back to you and hopefully resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.